Good afternoon. Welcome to day 280 at the EMA office where we bring you the latest in the numbers. Joined here with Chairman Mark Kern and Sam Bierman from the Health Department. And Sam, it's been a day when you first called me and said, hold on to your chair. And I'm glad to see it they're going down.
Today is a good day. 2 days in a row yesterday with our hospitals starting to give the vaccine. And today we have some great numbers. We are hoping that this is just the start of seeing numbers these low and that they continue. So as of today, 190,407 St. Clair County residents have been tested, which is an increase of 1,849 from yesterday. We are at 18,891 positive test results, which is an increase of 127 from yesterday. And that does include both males and females from under the age of 1 up to their 90s. Today, our daily county positivity rate, and we have not seen this number for a while, is 6.9%. And we are at 171,516 negative test results. We have no new additional deaths to report today, so we are at 294. And for those that have completed the IDPH required 10-day isolation period, we are at 16,611. For state totals, 12,259,595 have been tested, and we have 886,805 positive test results, which is an increase of 7,377 from yesterday. And for deaths, the state is reporting 15,015, and that is an increase of 181 from yesterday. For hospitalization numbers in St. Clair County, currently we have 106 patients that are admitted due to COVID-related reasons, and 11 of them are on ventilators. Regionally, we have 213 patients that are admitted due to COVID-related reasons, and 20 of them are on ventilators. For our congregate living facilities that are currently or previously have been in outbreak status, please remember these are cumulative numbers, and we will only announce any facilities that have had any changes. Freeburg Care Center has 34 cases and no deaths, and that is an increase of 4 cases for that facility. And Morningside of Shiloh has 5 cases and 1 death, and that is an increase of 1 case for that facility. We do have some testing coming up this weekend. It is on Sunday, November 20th at New Life Church in O'Fallon, and that will be from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. And I will turn it over to Chairman Kern for his update.
Thank you, Sam. Good numbers today.
Yes.
Let's keep that up. The zip code report for today, these are the COVID changes in these particular St. Clair County zip codes. So we'll start off today with 62059, goes up 1 today to 34. 62201 goes up 2 to 442. 62203 goes up 3 to 476. 62204 goes up 4 to 310. 62205 up 2 to 469. 62206 up 6 to 917. 62207 up 3 to 428. 62208 up 13 to 1080. 62220 up 5 to 1305. 62221 up 18 to 1776. 62223 up 7 to 1137. 62226 up 12 to 2026. 62232 up 4 to 604. 62239 up 2 to 280. 62243 up 10 to 436. 62254 up 7 to 584. 62255 up 2 to 50. 62257 up 1 to 206. 62258 up 3 to 690. 62260 up 2 to 474. 62269 goes above 2,000 today. They go up 15 to 2,005. 62285 goes up 4 to 371. And 62289 goes down 1 today to 29. Sam said, good day. We had 127 positives, a relatively good day. We would much rather be at a zero positivity rate, which we will be someday, hopefully. But today we're at 6.9%, so that's 127 tested positive out of 1,849 tests. That's the best number we've had here since November 5th. That brings our 7-day rolling average to down to 10.1%, and that's the best we've had since November 6th. So those numbers we're now kind of grinding back, and we're getting back to where we were a month and a half ago. The mitigations definitely are working. Regional positivity, this is the state's number. This is how they're looking at us. And of course, we have to get below 6.5% in this category of regional positivity. And they've got us today staying static at 12%. Bond County comes in at 9.2% today. Clinton County at 10.3%. Madison 13.2%. Monroe at 14.4%. Randolph at 7.9%. St. Clair, 6%, we're the lowest today, and Washington County at 17.6%. So we're headed in the right direction. We've got a long way to go, Herb, but wash your hands, watch your social distance, wear a mask. Those are really the keys to getting this virus out of the community. That, along with the vaccinations that are now happening, they're in the community, they're part of our world now. They're part of our normal. Our normal now includes a way out of this, and that is through this vaccine. Today, the new vaccine was announced, and that, or at least not just announced, but the FDA approved it. So that means that Moderna's vaccines will be on the way. They'll be part of the process. They're going to add to the numbers. We also heard today that Johnson & Johnson is in the last part of their testing. I think they have 40,000 people who are part of a test that they're doing. They think that the vaccine is looking good, so they're hoping that by the end of January they'll be asking the FDA for approval for their vaccine. And once we get enough vaccine out there to vaccinate everybody in the United States that wants that vaccine, then we build that herd immunity that we're looking at of 75 or 80%, and we can get back to baseball games. That's why I wore my Cardinal shirt today, because I think we're all pretty certain that we're going to be able to see baseball and actually go to baseball games next year. So let's get moving on this and just stay the course. We're in a foot race with this virus, and we're ahead of it, or we're getting ahead of it now. Don't look back, because you got 280 days behind you. We think the distance in front of us is a lot shorter than the one behind us, and so let's just keep pushing. It's hard, and the holidays are hard enough without the added stress of COVID, but we can get through this, and we can do it the right way.
And we're going to. Like you said, 280 days behind us. It's in the rearview mirror, as you said, and we're going to keep moving forward, because when you see the numbers, but again, I don't want you to get complacent with this. As Sam and I talked today, good day yesterday with the first vaccination coming into St. Clair County. Our daily positivity rate went down from 11.7 yesterday to 6.9. That's what we want to see. Just keep on going.
And the numbers of people positive are higher than they were. I mean,
Yes.
The positivity rate is the same as it was on the 5th. I don't have the numbers, but I know just from doing this practically
Daily.
every day with you that we probably were in the 60s with people who were diagnosed that day, and now we're testing a lot more. But there are more people with COVID, and certainly the hospital numbers are higher than they were back in November. So
Yeah, and even though we dropped a couple in the county on the hospital, down to in St. Clair County, and we're down about 8, it looked like, I think, in the region, we still got to get further.
well,
going
we're
down.
above 100.
You're right.
63 were in the hospital that day in November.
So 63 in November, on November 5th, and now we've got 106 in the hospital. So
Yeah, so we got to get them back down, and we got to work on them. So A lot of exciting things, the new testing site and vaccination sites here on West Main Street. We'll be talking about that in the next few days and getting that all ready to go. So a lot of positive things coming, and even though, as you said, yeah, it's been gloom and doom, and we're still struggling with our businesses, and we still have to support them. But that light is getting brighter. We can't let our foot up off of it. We got to testing is the key. We still got to continue testing. And
We had two people we know personally, both of us know, passed away this week of COVID. So, it's real. The treatments have improved. So your chances, if you get in the hospital and you're really sick with COVID, your chances of surviving are greater. But people are still passing away, and it's terrible. These two people were friends of ours, and it's still there.
And our thoughts go out, and they, their family followed these briefings, and everybody is just, you never know. So take care of your family, your loved ones, and with the holidays coming on, as we've said, you've got to really be extra careful, just like we was through the Thanksgiving Day holiday. We escaped that, and I hope that with everybody's help, Team St. Clair continue to share this, spread the word, and everybody try to understand that light is getting brighter at the end of the tunnel. We are getting closer, but it takes each and every one of us, as we said, even those of you that have been the doubting Thomases out there. But it's real, as the chairman said, when you lose somebody that's close to you, it really hits home. And we don't want that happening to anybody. So please, let's continue to push forward. Let's don't look behind us. Let's just keep moving forward. We'll be back with Daisy in a few moments to translate this into our Spanish communities, and then we'll be back tomorrow afternoon for day 281. Have a good evening.
I have battled this virus both professionally and personally. Professionally, I can tell you firsthand that it's greatly impacted our community, caused the loss of many lives, and continues to spread today. Personally, I can tell you that I contracted COVID-19, and it definitely is not the flu. This virus affects everyone differently, however, many have severe consequences. Please take this time to help your friends, your family, your neighbors, and the entire region by wearing a mask, washing your hands, and watching your distance. Together, we will overcome this invisible
Buenas tardes y gracias por acompañarnos una tarde más. Sam Bierman, la subgerente del Departamento de Salud, estuvo con nosotros hoy anunciando los números del condado y del estado. Estamos a 190,407 exámenes que se han conducido. Esto incluye 1,849 nuevos exámenes que se conducieron del día de ayer y 18,891 casos positivos, que incluye 127 nuevos casos de hombres y mujeres en las edades de 1 año a 90 años. 171,516 exámenes negativos y 294 muertes. 16,611 es el número de personas que obtuvieron un resultado positivo y que han completado los 10 días de aislamiento requeridos por el Departamento de Salud. Los números estatales son de 12,259,595 exámenes que se han conducido a través del estado y 886,805 casos positivos, que incluye un incremento de 7,377 nuevos casos en el estado y 15,015 muertes, que tristemente incluye 181 muertes en el estado. Hasta la fecha hay 106 pacientes hospitalizados por problemas relacionados con COVID-19. 11 de ellos están en ventiladores y en la región hay 213 hospitalizados y 20 de ellos en ventiladores. Hoy solo reportamos 2 cambios en el número de los casos en las instalaciones de cuidado a largo plazo, que son el Freeburg Care Center, que aumentó con 4 casos, y Morningside de Shiloh, que aumentó con 1 caso. Mark Kern, el director del condado, estuvo con nosotros hoy anunciando el número de casos por código postal, y hoy solo le voy a mencionar los que tuvieron un incremento. 62059 aumentó con 1 caso, 62201 aumentó con 2 casos, 62203 aumentó con 3 casos, 62204 aumentó con 4 casos, 62205 aumentó con 2 casos, 62206 aumentó con 6 casos, 62207 aumentó con 3 casos, 62208 aumentó con 13 casos, 62220 aumentó con 5 casos, 62221 aumentó con 18 casos, 62223 aumentó con 7 casos, 62226 aumentó con 12 casos, 62232 aumentó con 4 casos, 62239 aumentó con 2 casos, 62243 aumentó con 10 casos, 62254 aumentó con 7 casos, 62255 aumentó con 2 casos, 62257 aumentó con 1 caso, 62258 aumentó con 3 casos, 62260 aumentó con 2 casos, 62269 aumentó con 15 casos y 62285 aumentó con 4 casos. Y finalmente, Herb Simmons nos comentó que estamos a 6,9% de casos positivos en el condado y a 12,0% de casos positivos en la región. Muchas gracias y nos vemos mañana.